Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to discuss settings with Hostgator. We're going to host our domain. So moving swiftly on to the spreadsheet, and we'll click on Hostgator to open a new account. So in the middle of the page here you can see view the web hosting plans, so we'll click on that. And scrolling down you will see they've got three plans: hatchling, baby and business plan. Now for a single domain, hatchling would be fine, but I'm sure if like me you're going to have quite a number of domains, then you could start with the baby plan. So click on order now. Now I currently have a domain name because we registered this with Namecheap. So we'll type it in here, weight hyphen and hyphen diet.com. Now you'll continue to step 2, and here that is where you get the choice of a billing cycle, your personal details, credit card, etc. to pay for it. Now at this stage I'm not going to proceed with this because I already have a Hostgator account, but that's how you get going to start up with Hostgator. So what I'm going to do is to go to the Hostgator account that I have. This is the control panel. So this is what your panel will look like when you've opened your account and you've put in your new website. But for more than one website, I'm going to add in a domain, which you can see here is add-on domains. So I'll click on that to add a domain. Now my new domain is going to be weight hyphen and hyphen diet.com. Press return and just do my password here. Let these defaults take place and click add domain. So there you can see the domain has been added. Now returning to the home page, I'm going to scroll down the page down here, and there you will see the name server settings. So your numbers will not necessarily be these, but what I'm going to do is take a copy, go to my spreadsheet, to my control sheet, and I'm going to put in the name server number there, paste, and just widen that column. And I know if I paste that again, I know I'll change that manually because I know it's 2286. Just click on that. Here we are, ns2285.hostgator.com and ns.hostgator.com, 2286.hostgator.com. Now the next thing we need to do is to go back to Namecheap and put these two name server codes into our Namecheap account. And what that will then do is get the Namecheap website address pointing to Hostgator. So go here, go to resources, click on Namecheap, log in. Then I'm going to select Manage Domains, find my domain. Here it is, weightanddiet.com, and then transfer DNS to web host. Click on that there, and now down here I'm going to go back to my spreadsheet, control sheet here, copy into Namecheap, paste it in here, paste it in here, and just change that 2285 to 2286, like so. Okay, scroll down to the bottom of the page, save the changes. And the name servers have been updated, so we know that's done. That's good. Now what we need to do is to keep control of the details, is on a control sheet, is to put in the name of our website. So it's http://www.weight-and-diet.com/cpanel. Now that's the control panel, which is associated with the home page that we looked at earlier with the DNS settings, as you can see there. But our actual, let me just take a copy of that. Our website address, of course, is that without the cPanel. Take copy, put it in there and paste, like so. I'm just going to take the cPanel off there. So let me widen that column. So that is our website, and that is our control panel, and that's what we need to access for Hostgator. Now if we click on our website, we mustn't do anything until we see this page, index of, and whatever CGI bin it happens to be in there. Sometimes you might get some other detail, like a template website, and you might have to wait up to 24 hours before you see this page, because until you see this page we can't proceed to install our WordPress website. So you might have to be a little patient and wait for that. It's so that the linking of the domain name with Namecheap, linking that with the DNS address in Hostgator, sometimes can take up to 24 hours. But in this case it's happened immediately. So we are ready for the next step, which will be creating the website. But before we leave Hostgator, and we've got the control panel open, we'll just go back to the web hosting on this page. That's where we got our DNS name servers. Just scroll up the page. And what we're going to do is create our email account. So click on email accounts and select, these are a few of the ones I've got here. We can now see that weightanddiet.com has been registered there in Hostgate. We did that earlier, and I'm just going to put Paul. Put in my password. And again. And create account. So that is our email address, which you can see just confirmed at the bottom of the page, paul@weightanddiet.com. So if I just select it here, access the webmail, log in, and we can select one of these facilities to manage our email. I'm going to select Hold. And that's it. That's our mail set up. paul@weightanddiet.com, and any mail coming in we can create using the buttons here. So that's quite a long video. That's setting up with Hostgator, repointing the DNS servers, and creating our email account. In the next video we will deal with our Aweber account and autoresponder.